Introduction. In our earlier classes, we have learned about expressions and equations and how to solve it. Let us recall these facts and also take up some new types. Expressions: 9x, 6x minus 8, 4xy minus 3, ABC plus A plus B plus C, A square plus 2, C plus C square, square root of x, square root of y plus 1, 1 upon z, 1 upon 3z plus 1. Equations: 6x is equal to 36, 9x minus 7 is equal to 8, 3xy plus 6 is equal to 12, 9x square plus y square is equal to 2. Linear equation in one variable. A linear equation in one variable is an equation in which the highest exponent or power of the variable is 1. For example, 7x minus 8 is equal to 0. 13x plus 26 is equal to 0. 9y minus 8 is equal to 0. Solution of linear equations in one variable. We know that the value of the variable that satisfies the given equation is called its solution. A solution of the equation is also called the root of the equation. Rules for solving an equation. Solving equations have linear expression or expressions on one side and number or numbers on other side. Example 1. Solve the equation x plus 7 is equal to 0. Solution: x plus 7 is equal to 0, or x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 0 minus 7. Subtracting 7 from both sides, x is equal to minus 7. Verification: putting x is equal to minus 7 in the given equation, we have minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, x is equal to minus 7 is a solution of the given equation. Example 2. Solve x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. Solution: x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15, or x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 15 upon 15, or x upon 3 is equal to minus 8 upon 15, or x is equal to minus 8 upon 15 multiplied by 3. X is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Solving an equation having the variable on both sides. Example 3. Solve the equation 0.3 plus 0.7x is equal to 0.85x. Solution: 0.3 plus 0.7x is equal to 0.85x, or 0.3 is equal to 0.85x minus 0.7x, transposing 0.7x to RHS, or 0.3 is equal to 0.15x, or 0.30 upon 0.15 is equal to x, or x is equal to 2. Reducing equations to simpler form using LCM and distributive law. Example 4. Solve 15 in the brackets y minus 4 minus 2 in the brackets y minus 9 plus 5 in the brackets y plus 6 is equal to 0. Solution. 15 in the brackets y minus 4 minus 2 in the brackets y minus 9 plus 5 in the brackets y plus 6 is equal to 0. Implies 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. Or 18y minus 12 is equal to 0. Or y is equal to 12 upon 18. Y is equal to 2 upon 3. Equation of the form px plus q upon rx plus s is equal to t, where p, q, r, s and t are numbers and rx plus s is not equal to 0. Example 5. Solve 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Solution. 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Implies 5 in the brackets 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 in the brackets 2 minus 6y. Or 15y plus 20 is equal to minus 4 plus 12y. Or 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 20 minus 4. Or 3y is equal to minus 24. Or y is equal to minus 8. Practical applications of linear equations. We can use equations to solve a number of everyday problems and arithmetic problems. 1. What is given? 2. What is required? Example 1. Sum of two numbers is 40. If one of them is 10 more than the other, find the numbers. Solution. Let one number be x, then the other number be x plus 10. Sum of two numbers is equal to 40 according to question. Therefore, x plus in the brackets x plus 10 is equal to 40, or 2x plus 10 is equal to 40, or 2x is equal to 30, or x is equal to 15. One number is 15 and the other number is x plus 10 is equal to 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. Check. 15 plus in the brackets 15 plus 10 is equal to 40. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, the solution is correct. Example 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? NCERT. Solution. Perimeter is equal to 154 meters. Let its breadth be x meter. This implies length will be in the brackets 2x plus 2 meters. Perimeter P is equal to 2 in the brackets x plus 2x plus 2, or 154 is equal to 2 in the brackets 3x plus 2, or 77 is equal to 3x plus 2, or 77 minus 2 is equal to 3x, or 75 is equal to 3x, or x is equal to 75 upon 3 is equal to 25 meters. Implies breadth is equal to x is equal to 25 meters and length is equal to 2x plus 2 is equal to 25 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 52 meters. Example 3. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number?
NCERT.
Solution. Let 1's digit be x. Thus, 10's digit is 3x. Number is equal to 10 into 3x plus 1 into x. This is equal to 30x plus x is equal to 31x. Number obtained by interchanging the digits is equal to 10 into x plus 1 into 3x is equal to 13x. According to the question, 31x plus 13x is equal to 88, or 44x is equal to 88, or x is equal to 88 upon 44 is equal to 2. Implies number is equal to 10 into 3 into 2 plus 1 into 2. This is equal to 60 plus 2 is equal to 62.